Alright, so this story starts like your typical influencer ad. Hey girl, want the perfect booty for cheap? But it ends in murder, manhunts, and one of the most ridiculous nicknames in criminal history. Meet Dr. Dennis Furtado, better known online as Imam, and I'm not kidding, Dr. Bumbum. He's a Brazilian plastic surgeon who blows up on Instagram around 2015 for doing cheap enhancement procedures. We're talking lip fillers, breast jobs, butt lifts, basically anything you can inject silicone into. And with a name like Dr. Bumbum, you already know what his specialty was. His videos, him in scrubs dancing to pop music while holding a syringe. His tagline, you can have the perfect body, fast, which I guess is technically true. You'll look perfect for about 10 minutes, because what his patients didn't know is that half the stuff he was injecting wasn't approved for human use. Some of it was industrial grade silicone, like the same kind they use in caulking guns. Now, the guy's raking in clients. He's the self-proclaimed king of cheap surgeries. But then one day in July 2018, it all goes to hell. A 46-year-old banker named Lillian Calixto books a home visit butt lift with Dr. Bumbum. Yes, a home visit. He shows up with his mom, who, by the way, is also his assistant. Which sounds sweet until you realize mom's helping him commit medical crimes. He injects her with this weird silicone mixture right there in his living room. Minutes later, Lillian can't breathe. Her heart starts failing. Instead of calling an ambulance, he tries to treat her himself. She dies hours later. And what does Dr. Bumbum do? He flees. The news breaks. Brazil's celebrity surgeon on the run? The memes? Instant. People are like, imagine getting killed by a guy named Dr. Bumbum. For 4 days, he's hiding in Rio de Janeiro. The police are everywhere, then finally, bam, they find him holed up in an apartment with his girlfriend. He's arrested live on TV. He tries to play innocent, saying the patient had a bad reaction. Yeah, bro, to industrial sealant. The investigation reveals he wasn't even legally authorized to perform most of his procedures. His clinic had no license, no permits, no emergency equipment, nothing. Just a fake doctor with a syringe and an Instagram account. In 2021, he's officially charged with homicide and illegal medical practice. He's now facing up to 30 years in prison, and let's be real, they're probably not calling him Dr. Bumbum in there. Moral of the story? If your surgeon's nickname sounds like a cartoon character, maybe just stick with the gym.